A GPS to anticipate your future. Imagine. Hello, if you have clicked on this video, it's because you would like perhaps a GPS which guides you every day to make the right choice in the present to build your already a fulfilling present and at the same time a super desirable future. So here you are in the right video because I have a lot of information to share with you. And if you subscribe to this channel, if you have yet done it, you already know that I am futurist and that my forecasts on the future are already able. You could observe, for example, here, if you come back to old video, that I announced in September 2019 health crisis in Asia, and now we see China and Singapore affected with the coronavirus. And you have also, if you are a subscriber, observe on this channel that I announced some difficulty of business for Mr. Elon Musk of Tesla. It was, if I remember well, in July 2019. And you see the Tesla stock price was down a few days ago, down 18% in a day. And to my point, this is just the beginning. So for more than a year, I am also anticipating the falling of the government in France with the departure of Mr. Macron and possibly his death, which I don't want for him, of course. And we will see the event. And this is also a very powerful way for me to share all this information in advance with you to see what happened. And to do that, I have no tarot, no card, no crystal ball. So how do I do? I have said this in many others videos, and it's quite simple. I observe a lot, I analyze a lot of data, and not just a little. It's really a daily work. I am spending about 4 hours a day in addition of my classic work day and the taking care of my family. But these 4 hours are real pleasure. And I do it with an immense happiness. And then I appeal to my intuition and I make a forecast based on my, on my common sense. And I am told sometime by the follower, by you, that I have a superpower. This pleases me, but perhaps my difficult childhood with a perverse narcissistic mother certainly helped me to develop this skill of anticipating the future simply to survive. In short, I also developed tools, and in particular a super GPS to anticipate the future, and as many times as you want in the present. And this is what I want to share with you with the maximum of the follower of this channel. So it's better than consulting a medium or a tarot. You know, sometimes people spend a lot of money counseling when they can become their own guide. So my GPS is actually your hand, your finger. You need just 2 fingers, depending whether you are left or right-handed. You always use the same hand. If you start with one, you stay with that one. And so you ask your hand the question you want, and the crazy thing is that your hand answer. Your hand is really able in addition. So, sorry, in the current period, it's very chaotic and scary time, and I find this revelation very beautiful because you can ask a lot of questions. First, it needs to be neutral in emotion, but step by step you can go deeper in the question you can ask. Then it can be more and more intense question you ask to your hand. So, for example, to start, you can ask which dish is the best in this restaurant. If you choose only by the title on the menu and you need to anticipate the taste of the future dish. And you will see it's magic, it's really, really works. So at the beginning you ask emotionally neutral question for the time to properly configure your GPS. For example, I buy this sweater, you ask your hand, yes or no. And you will, if the answer, for example, is no, in the future you find a better one and a cheaper one the next day. It's magic. So you can have a lot of fun with your GPS of the future, the time to run it well. And then you move on more serious questions. For example, will I get married in a year? And your end answer no. In 2 years, and your end answer yes. And you see, it's still super useful as a GPS. You just have to eat well, to sleep well, to recharge the machine. You do not need a USB plug. And your GPS of the future is everywhere with you. You have always your hand with you. And I have been using it for years, and I am so happy to share it now. For example, in my car, I ask, can I drive this speed or even this crazy speed? But anyway, I am going to stop it here because I want to be efficient to send it to you in a private sharing. I integrate the starting of your GPS of the future in my reinventing private sharing. In short, it's simple, it's quick. I share my best and very simple tip for being good every day. Sleep better, sleep well, eat better, eat well, love better, love well, walk well. And then I teach you too, yes, you too, to be a futurist, to anticipate the future. And we start with the GPS. Then we are simply looking how to create your future result. And after one thing after the other, in a fraction of a day. And then I show you how to create your ideal life, for example, your ideal partner in love and in business, how to anticipate and interact with your future children and grandchildren. I am so happy to share all this with you, but it's a private sharing. And at the final of this private sharing, I take the freedom to share with you a super incredible bonus that will show you behind the curtain what the world will look like in 50 years. And for me, it already looks like this reality, but the majority of the world, of the people, do not yet see it. And when you see that, it's super easy to identify in the present the theater curtain and the decoration cardboard box that are falling apart and that will quickly go up in smoke. So it's really a superpower that I share. Everything is here. You can pre-register. It's also in the description of this video. The name is To Reinvent Ourselves. So you can now move to another video, or you can discover in the private sharing the best GPS of the market, the ones that bring you to your desirable future. See you soon in this private sharing. You already have a hand, and I wish 2 fingers. Sorry for the joke. It's really a private sharing, very useful. And it's for the beings that correspond to me. So I want to preserve my beautiful energy and avoid imbalance by giving too much and not receiving enough. So what I wish for you, for your desirable future, I wish it for me too. This is why you need to pay to access to this private information. You know, I do not want to sacrifice myself giving a lot of energy and receiving nothing. To make all this, discovering and adjusting these tools, this GPS for the future, was also a big initiation for me, and it took me a lot of energy, so it's good to balance the exchange. So thank you for all of you who yet follow me on Instagram. We are now more than 10,000, so thank you very much. The link to my Instagram is here. and I will announce a lot of new video in advance on Instagram. We will talk about petroleum, a lot of future stuff. You can also subscribe to this channel. Like this, it's help and support the spreading of this sharing, which is important to help the maximum of people. So thank anyway for being there. Thank you to listen to me. Thank you to think, to reinvent yourself. Perhaps it's a good time for you. The link is here and also in the description. And all you need to do is to take action, to first get more detail, to co-create this bright future. That's what I want for you. Thank you. Bye. Still there? Yes, I know it's a repetitive joke, but I love it. So it makes me laugh inside, and I think it could be very helpful, because if you stay until the end, you are perhaps ready for the private sharing I have prepared for you. It's really deep and really simple, and it's personal development, but in a very simple way, in a very efficient way. And your time is precious, and you will see a lot of result very quickly by sleeping well, eating well, loving well, creating your GPS with your hand to know your future a little in advance. This helps a lot. You can talk with your future children. You can attract very easily and met with your future partner really in a week. So everything is in the link here, also in the description. Take action. See you soon in the private sharing. Bye. Bye-bye.